Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is the 2017 Toyota Sienna LE, stock number B8464A. 31,000 miles on this one owner. Local trade comes to us with a clean auto check history report, super white in color. You receive the balance for the factory 3-year, 36,000 mile bumper to bumper and 5-year, 60,000 mile powertrain warranty. Power sliding doors on both sides of the van. The Sienna seats 8 with a cloth interior. Removable middle seat. Rear heat and air controls to make sure everyone's comfortable. Windows do go down in the sliding doors along with power venting rear quarter windows. Backup camera for additional safety. Deep storage wall behind the third row. Lots of space for cargo or for those seats to fold back into. Folding those seats is very easy. Give you a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers. And there's the middle row seat for the second row. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. Very safe vehicle as well. 5-star overall government crash rating. This LE has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat. Large, easy to read gauges. Steering wheel mounted audio controls. Cruise control. Large touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Automatic transmission with manual shift capability. 3-zone automatic temperature control to make sure everyone's comfortable. USB and auxiliary input. Allows you to connect mobile media devices. Lots of storage space in the center console. And dual glove boxes with all the owner's materials inside. Under the hood, this Sienna has a 3.5 liter V6, 296 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the van. An excellent fuel economy. EPA average of 19 miles to the gallon and the city average of 27 on the highway. And ready to go with new tires. For more information on this Sienna, please go to Sheboygan Auto.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.